Okay, so in this video, we are going to go through manufacturing for a setup where we've got an IT company where we do upgrades for our machines. So in this case, we've got 3 item stocks that we have configured in the system. So I can go to stock there to view them, and then stock summary. So under stock summary here, you can see we've got 10 laptops Core i5, and we've got 4 gig RAM 20, and we also have got 8 gig RAMs, we've got 60. So we need to do manufacturing. So basically what we need to do is this 4 Core i5 laptop, it have got some specs, in its specs it have got 4 gig RAM, and we want to put 8 gig RAM on top of this Core i5, and we want to remove the 4 gig RAM that is there and put it here. So it means these 4 gig RAMs are going to increase by 1, and these are also going to reduce by 1. These are also going to reduce by 1. So after that, we are going to see whether this is going to be 59 and whether this is going to be 21. And our laptop figure is going to remain 10. It's going to remain as 10. So I can go to home. So to do that, first we need to create a view of materials. So I can scroll down here, then I click on manufacturing, then I can dismiss on this one. Then we've got what we call BMO here. So I can click on view of materials here, and then I can click on add BMO, and then I enter the item that I want to manufacture. So you can see here each item can be manufactured or repacked. In this case, we are upgrading the machine. So I can click there, and then I can click on laptops here. After clicking on laptops, you can scroll down here, you can put quantity here, just leave it as 1, and then you can scroll down here. We come here under item code. So under item code, we are going to modify our laptop, or we are going to upgrade our laptop. So we put quantity 1 here, and then I can click on add, and then under add we are going to put 8 gig RAM here, and then after putting our 8 gig RAM, we are going to remove 4 gig RAM there. But if we are not going to remove any 4 gig RAM, we just put this one here. But let's say we are going to remove the 4 gig RAM that is there and put 4 gig RAM. So here we've got 8 gig RAM. So if we are going to remove the 4 gig RAM, we will put it under scrape here. So I can click on add row, and then I put 4 gig RAM here. So when we upgrade this machine with 4 gig RAM, we are going to remove this 4 gig, and we come up with laptop with 4 gig. So as I've explained before, you will see that we are going to reduce the number of 8 gig RAMs that we have in our stock, and we are also going to increase the number of 4 gig RAMs that we have in our stocks. So this is the formula that we are going to use, which is called the BMO. So after that, you can click on save here. Then after clicking on save, you need to click on submit. Then here you need to click on yes. So it's now created. Our formula is now created. So we need to go back again to manufacturing. So I can click here under manufacturing. Then after clicking there, we now need to do the upgrade or the manufacturing. So I can click on work order here. Then I can click on add work order, and then here before, let me go back again. So here you can see there is this one written in process. It means that this is the manufacturing process that have not been completed yet. So make sure that you don't have anything like this. Make sure that you complete all the processes. So let me go forward again. So you click on add work order. Then here we enter the item to manufacture. So we are going to manufacture, or we are going to upgrade our laptop Core i5. So I click there, and then we enter the quantity that we want to upgrade or to manufacture. Let's say we want to upgrade 5 only. So I click on 5 there, then I scroll down here. I come here under, so we've got a scenario we only want to do 5 or we want to do all of them. So it means if we go under our specs or our description for this item, it means we are now going to say this is Core i5 8 gig RAM. So it means we have to go to our description in this laptop and we have to upgrade our description to Core i5 8 gig RAM, or we need to create another laptop, another new item called laptop with 8 gig RAM. That is if we are going to maintain two laptops, the others with 8 gig RAM and the others with 4 gig RAM. But in this case, let us assume that we are going to upgrade all our laptops, which is 10 that we have. We are going to put them all for 8 gig RAMs. So I can scroll down here and then target warehouse. You can put the warehouse where you want them to appear. So you can click stores. Work in progress, we are also going to use the same warehouse. Stores, scrap warehouse, we are also going to maintain the same warehouse. So this same warehouse, we are going to pick stores. So after that, you see that there is actual start date, actual end date. So just leave that one as it is. So you can just click on save there. So when you click on save, you can see that it's now in draft. So you need to click submit again. Then you click yes there. So here is now saying it's not yet started. You need to click again on start. They need to start the process of manufacturing. And here it's saying it's 10. We are going to manufacture 10. So you can click on create. After clicking on create, it comes here. You click on save. And then again you click on submit. So it's now submitted. You can click here under stock entry. So you can see here, these are the transactions that have happened. So we need to go and check on our stocks what have happened. So I will click on home there. Then I will click on stock. Where is stock here? So I click on stock there. I want to see my stock balances or my stock quantities. So I click on stock quantity. So you can see here, let me refresh. So our quantity is still 60, it hasn't changed. Our laptops are still 10 and then our 4 gig RAM. So I need to check this formula if it have completed. So I can go back to manufacturing there and then I go to work orders. So you can see here in our work orders, it's saying it's still in process. So you need to make sure that there is no in process. It means the production is still in process or the upgrade is still in process, it hasn't finished. So I can click again on this one to finish the process. Then I click on finish. Then I click on create here. Then you click on save. Make sure that the status is always saved. If it's draft, again click on submit. So it's submitted. So you want to go back again, click there and click on manufacturing, click on work orders, refresh. So you can see here in process there is now that one that was there previously. So we now need to go back again and check our stocks. So I can go on stock there and then go on the stock summary. So you can see now here in stock summary, our laptops are remaining 10 there, and then our 4 gig RAMs they have increased with 10, they are now 30. Our 8 gig RAMs they have reduced, they are now 50. So if you also want to print this stock file, you can also just right click and click print. And you will also be able to see the stocks that are there in the system. So that's it for upgrading or manufacturing in the system.